Bitch, stop coughing. She off that powder today.
Excuse me. I apologize. I didn't mean to cough.
Coughing that. Oh shit.
Oh my god. I didn't know it was that big of a deal. Shit. Yo, this bitch is crazy.
Ho, pussy ass bitch, you can't be coughing at me, disrespectful ass bitch. Homeless ass ho.
Just calm down, okay? Nobody's coughing back
I know
here.
this bitch ain't just coughing me. Ho, do I look sick to you?
Joseline, are you alright?
Puerto Rican princess is just fine. I'm doing just fine. Bitch, fucking cough on me. Fuck is wrong with you?
Nobody's coughing on you. She's not even back here. What the fuck?
Puerto Rican princess need to lay off the coat. Oh my god.
Yeah,